Top 3 cryptocurrencies whales bought this week. Crypto whales bought Optimism (OP), Dogecoin (DOGE), and Worldcoin (WLD) in recent days. OP saw a rise in large holders despite being down 73% over the past year, while Doge whale wallets climbed to a 2-week high as meme coin sentiment shows signs of recovery. WLD also attracted accumulation, even after a 19% drop in the last 30 days, with whales adding to their positions over the last 4 days. This shift in on-chain behavior suggests that some big players may be preparing for a potential rebound across these assets. Optimism (OP). Despite Optimism experiencing a prolonged downtrend and a nearly 73% drop over the past year, on-chain data reveals a subtle but notable shift. The number of wallets holding at least 10,000 OP has increased from 4,303 to 4,313 in the last 5 days. This uptick suggests that some larger investors may be accumulating OP at lower prices, potentially positioning for a long-term reversal. While OP has struggled to gain traction this cycle, remaining below the $2 mark since early January, this quiet accumulation could be an early sign of growing confidence among more seasoned holders. If this accumulation translates into renewed bullish momentum, OP may attempt to reclaim key resistance levels, starting with 93 cents. A successful breakout could lead to a push toward $1.06, and if buying pressure accelerates, $1.20 becomes a reasonable upside target. On the flip side, if selling pressure remains dominant and no meaningful shift in momentum occurs, OP could continue its slide, with 74 cents acting as a key support level. A break below that could send the price below 70 cents, reinforcing the downtrend and keeping investors cautious in the near term. Dogecoin (DOGE). Dogecoin, the largest meme coin by market cap, is seeing renewed interest from large holders. On-chain data reveals that crypto whales bought Doge over the past week. Specifically, the number of wallets holding between 10 million and 100 million Doge rose from 740 to 747, the highest level in 2 weeks. This suggests that big players may be positioning ahead of a potential rebound in the meme coin space, anticipating a shift in market sentiment. With Doge historically responding strongly to meme coin hype, this uptick in whale activity could be a key early signal. If momentum builds and meme coins stage a broader recovery, Doge could be one of the biggest beneficiaries. A bullish breakout could send the price to test resistance around 19 cents, and if that level is broken, further gains toward 22 cents and even 24 cents may follow. However, if the current market correction deepens, Doge may retest support at 16 cents, with a possible drop to $0.143 if selling pressure increases. For now, whale accumulation offers a promising sign, but price direction will likely hinge on whether broader meme coin momentum returns. Worldcoin (WLD). Worldcoin, once one of the most hyped AI-related cryptocurrencies, has struggled to maintain its momentum in recent months, with its price falling nearly 19% over the past 30 days. Despite this decline, recent on-chain data shows that crypto whales have started accumulating WLD again. Over the last 4 days, the number of wallets holding between 10,000 and 1 million WLD increased from 1,123 to 1,138. This accumulation could signal growing confidence that WLD may soon find a bottom. If buying momentum continues to build, WLD could attempt a short-term recovery. The first key resistance level is 91 cents. A breakout above that could fuel a stronger rally toward $1.25, helping Worldcoin regain some of its lost ground. However, if bearish sentiment remains dominant, WLD may retest support at 80 cents, and a break below that level could send it down further to 69 cents.